Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $80 per day clicking on ads the easy way. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end because a magic number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. So as soon as you see that magic number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. So without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at this website. The name of the website is GPT Planet. So on this website right here, you're going to get paid to click on ads and a lot of other tasks that they have where you can make money. Now, they are paid out a total of $1,623,000 to their members, and they have over 85,000 members. And all you gotta do, guys, click right here to sign up, to register. So it says here, earn money by completing simple tasks online. Everyone can join. It's absolutely free. Now, here are the steps. So you register. So feel free to join GPT Planet. Members from all countries are allowed. So it is worldwide, guys. Register at GPT Planet. It's absolutely free. Then the next thing you're going to do is earn. So at GPT Planet, you can earn by completing simple tasks like viewing advertisements, referring new members, and completing offers. Now, the third and final step is cash out. So you're going to cash out your earnings to Skrill, NetTeller, Payoneer, Perfect Money, or Bitcoin. So guys, if you have a Bitcoin wallet, you can accumulate Bitcoin here, store it in your wallet, and convert that into cash. Now, if you don't have a Bitcoin wallet, I suggest you go to Coinbase.com. Sign up is absolutely free, and you can start your Bitcoin wallet there and store your Bitcoin. Now, the minimum to cash out on this website is $1. So this is what they offer members. So earn up to 1 cent per click. Now guys, don't get discouraged by the 1 cent per click. It only takes seconds to watch the advertisement and you're going to get paid. So you can do a lot of them. You can do probably hundreds of them in one day or more. So again, a minimum of $1 payout, and here are the platforms you're going to get paid on again. So you can also earn up to 100% referral earnings. So when you refer somebody, you're going to get 100% of the earnings, guys. Now let me go ahead and scroll up here and show you how the ads are going to look. So I'm going to click right here where it says view ads. So this is how the ad's going to look. So it's going to show down here how much you're going to be getting paid. So this is an ad, this is an ad. And here's the Premium Plus ads right here. So you earn a little bit more over here. So every day when you log in, you're going to have all these ads you can click on and make money, guys. Now, what I want to show you, if you want to make more money, not just viewing ads, you want to go ahead and do other things and make money, just click right here where it says earn more. So they got the GPT grid. So let me go ahead and click on that. And here's the grid right here. So whatever you click on, you can make money. So it says here, click to win up to $1,000, guys. So you can click on these things and you can win up to $1,000, all just by clicking. And here's some winners right here. Again, I know the amount is kind of low, but guys, if you do this every day, that it's gonna add up. Along with watching ads, it's gonna add up, guys. Okay, guys, let me show you one other thing. I'm gonna go to click right here where it says proof of payments. So here the proof of payments. See, people are getting paid every day. Right here, April 18th, this person got paid. Check it out, $49, $27 this person got paid, $47. And guys, you can get paid that amount of money, and also when you referring people, you can get paid even more money. So you can make up to $80 a day on this website, guys. So that's all I'm really going to show you about this website. It's fairly straightforward, very easy to do. So if you want to go ahead and start making some money just clicking on ads, go ahead and go to gptplanet.com, register, and get started. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 30 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I talked about today in this video. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Road to 8,000. Let's get there by the end of this month of April. We got probably like about 10 days left, something like that, 10 to 12 days left. So let's do it, guys. Let's get to 8,000 subscribers. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.